Hello everyone and welcome to a video from your friends at Rainbow Bucknell. Today I'll be showcasing one of our products, the pressed flowers.
Yes, very exciting. We're going to be unveiling.
Yep, because it's not quite an unboxing, is
No.
it? Because it won't come in a box, it will come in an envelope like this. And we brought these from an eco packaging company.
We did, we bought a job lot of them.
Yep, and it feels really nice actually as well for a recycled product. So it'll be sealed.
Yes.
You unseal it though, and you open it up.
And this is what you'll be getting.
Yes. So, depending on where you open it, of course, but on one side you will get this lovely thank you card, which says "We're so grateful," and our stamp on one side. On the other, a URL, which if you go to online, you will see all our links across the internet. And it says, "Thank you so much for supporting our small family business." And you painted this yourself, didn't you?
Yeah, I used some watercolours on a piece of card that comes from a product that we have quite a lot of.
And then we have a little freebie, which is
Yes.
some of these offcuts, aren't they?
Yeah, they're ones that we didn't use in the main pressed flower product, so we thought might as well give them to you.
Yes,
They'll all be different.
Yes, it'll all be different, and it comes in this, and the main one comes in a plastic. And now I struggle to pronounce this.
Yes, it's a little bit tricky.
I think it's called Nativia, and basically it is a type of compostable plastic, and it's made from natural resources such as potatoes, corn, and sugar beets.
Incredible what they can do.
It is, and there are instructions in the description and on the Etsy listing on how you do actually decompose this. Don't worry, it won't decompose on your shelf though.
So all these flowers are from our very own garden here in Scotland. We're very lucky that we've got a huge variety, and we have used a piece of card on the top just to keep them in place. It also cushions a little bit inside the envelope
so that if there's any impact like that,
Yeah.
it's not going to hit your flowers.
So please use your piece of card.
Yes, and now here they are, and they are vacuum packed
By us.
by hand. So this isn't glued.
No,
This is
sealed.
heat sealed and vacuumed to the best we can.
Yes.
To stop it from moving around very much and getting hitting all the bottom, whatever, so it'll crushing each other. And at the other side, it's got card as well, depending on what side. Obviously, there's card on both sides in the envelope. And as you can see here,
It's got a number on it.
it's got a number, and that's because these are not artificial flowers,
No.
nor are these like mass manufactured.
No, they're from our very own garden, so we're relying on nature, and we're very lucky that we've got a huge variety of plants and flowers out there.
Yes, and that means that if you want lot number 16, for example, which is this lovely pack here, once 16 is sold, this exact one when it's sold, it's gone.
That's it.
That's it, you're not going to buy it again.
No.
Now, there are certain plants or flowers or things that will cross over, and you may identify, for example, this is clearly from the same plant.
Yes.
So you get a little, this leaf, but it's clearly not the same leaf, they're different sizes,
No,
obviously.
nature comes in all different shapes and sizes, so whatever there is.
Exactly. But it does mean that it's not going to sell, we sell purple, for example. No, we sell 16.
Yes.
And then
that's what you get, is
and
what you see.
And I think that's good, because then you're not wondering, it's an estimation, it's a guess,
Yes.
it's something. No. It is exactly, when you say 16, you will be
get
getting
it in
this
this
and this only. And that's why they're all going to be numbered, and online, when you buy it from the Etsy store, you can say, I want exactly that one, or I want exactly that one, or whatever.
And we're doing it by Royal Mail, and we're doing it second class for a very good reason, aren't we?
It was interesting because I went online to look at the postage and packaging and what was the best option to send. Because again, it's in an envelope, we can send it through the letterbox. So try and find the best way to do it. And on their website, they actually said themselves the most eco-friendly way of doing it
Is second class?
is second class. So they will be shipped by second class to people in the United Kingdom for your letterbox. You don't have to even be in, which is quite good. You don't have to sign for anything or whatever. It will just come for your letterbox in the post, because these are what, A6-ish roughly?
Yes.
And they fit inside a C6 envelope. So these will fit the A6 sizes.
Yeah.
And when you get them, you can cut them open.
Yeah, be a bit careful, because
These
they're
are delicate.
obviously
These are
delicate flowers.
They're delicate, dried, pressed flowers.
Yes.
Again, they're not being treated with any chemicals or
No.
anything. There are no plastics inside them, so they are a bit fragile. As
Yeah,
they
they've
would
been
be
pressed
if you.
for months, so they are very flat. But obviously, like you say, very delicate. So handle
Because
with care.
they're real. It's like as if you'd press them yourself,
Yeah,
really.
exactly.
And we do press them the old-fashioned way. Some people do like dehydrators or
yes.
I saw a hairdryer once. But these are done in old-fashioned, proper press with the screws and you screw it
Yes,
down, or
with
books.
blotting paper.
I've lost them. You get books and you weigh it down in between the pages, like the old-fashioned way of doing
Yes.
it. And that's how we pick them from our own garden, your own hands mostly.
Yes, and it's good fun. I enjoy doing it. Actually,
It's actually nice. It's
a
nice, quite mindful
activity.
craft
Yeah.
of doing, or it's quite peaceful. It's actually a bit of fun.
Yeah.
Arranging them and pressing them. But yeah, you cut them open, bring it out, and then do whatever you want to do with them.
Yeah.
You might use them in scrapbooking. I've seen some people stick them on the candles.
Nice
for example.
cards.
Yeah, imagine making nice hand cards like
Yeah.
this. So all sorts of things. There's a variety of things you can do with pressed
And we
flowers.
will be showcasing a few activities later on in future videos.
Yeah. So yeah, go to our store, see what's in stock. This may have
Yeah.
already gone. If you've got your
Yes.
heart set on this one,
Go quick.
be quick, because 16 may no longer be there. So just pick what you like, and yeah, it'll be sent to you.
And have fun with it.
Yeah, whatever you decide to do. Thank you so much for watching. Please like and subscribe, and if you enjoyed the video and think someone else will too, please share it with them as well. We hope you have a lovely morning, noon or night wherever you are, and we will see you soon. Bye!